Hi, welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to customize Edge browser. And it's literally an easy process, so make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done. Here are the general instructions on how to do this. The first step would be launch the Edge browser on your Windows device. Next step would be click on the three horizontal dots, ellipses, in the upper right corner of the browser to open the menu. Go ahead and scroll down and click on Settings. Another step, in the Settings menu, choose Appearance or similar option. And here, you might find options to customize the browser's theme, font size, and other visual elements. Next step, navigate to Extensions in the Settings menu. Manage your installed extensions, enable or disable them, or explore the Microsoft Edge add-ons website for more extensions. Next step, go to the On Startup section in Settings. Choose whether you want to open a new tab page, continue where you left off, or open a specific page. Next step, adjust privacy and security settings based on your preferences. This might include managing cookies, site permissions, and tracking preventions. Next step, right-click on the toolbar at the top of the browser. Choose Customize or a similar option to add or remove buttons from the toolbar. Another step, if you sign in with a Microsoft account, you can sync your settings across devices, access the Profiles or Sync section in Settings. And that's all for now, folks. Hope you like and subscribe. Thank you.